Hey guys, I welcome you again in this another Java tutorial video. In this vid, we will talk about strings in Java. So for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So if you're into those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now I hope you all are doing great and ready to learn. So let's kick this video. But first of all, let's go ahead and check out the agenda. So here we have the agenda for the video guys. First of all, we will see what is a string, then we'll see how to find the length of a string, then we'll see the use of toUpperCase and toLowerCase, then we'll see how to find a character in string, and at last we'll see more string methods using the programming examples. So what is string? So guys, a string is a variable, and if you have gone through my previous video about variables, you maybe know about strings and all the other available variables in Java, but not, I would recommend you to please check that video once. I will surely put that link in the description. You can find that. Now come back to the point, and a string is a variable that we use to store text in Java and also in other programming languages, and we store text in double quotes. We'll see the all things in programming examples in the next slide. So guys, here we have the syntax that will show us that how do we store a string in Java. So to store string in Java, we just need to type the variable string, and we have to give a name to our string, like I have given my text1. And then you need to write your text, you need to write your string. I have written I watch IPL in double quotes. So this is how you store a string in Java. So guys, to find the length of a string, you just need to type the name of your string, like the my string name is my text1, and then dot and then length parentheses, and this will give you the length of your string. One thing you have to remember that it will always give you the length including this white space. Like if you say I is 1, then the space is 2, then W is 3. So this is how it will gonna give you. So you can count this total. It says 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it's going to be 11, I believe. Now we'll run this program and see the output. So let's go ahead and run the program. So here we have the output for this, guys. You can see it says 11 because this is what we have. We have 11 here. We have 5 plus 3 equals to 8, 1 9, and then it's 2 white spaces. So we total get 11. So the length of this string is 11. So now let's go ahead and discuss the second one. This is use of toUpperCase and lowercase. That why we use the toUpperCase and toLowerCase. So guys, we use toUpperCase to make any string in capital letters or to write any string in capital letters, and toLower to convert any string in lowercase. And how to use that? It's very simple. You just need to type the name of your string. Like my string is I watch IPL and my string name is my text2. So I just type my text2 and then toUpperCase and parentheses. And for the lowercase, I need to type my text2 the same, and I say dot then toLowerCase and parentheses. So let's go ahead and run this to see if we get the correct resolution. So yes guys, here you can see the output. We got I watch IPL in capital letters and then I watch IPL in small letters. So this is the use of toUpperCase and toLowerCase. So the next point we're going to discuss here is that how we can find a character in string, or how we can find a position of a character in string. So guys, to find any position of a particular character in a string, you just need to type the index of, but first of all you need to type the name of your string, that is my text3, then dot, then index of, and in brackets you need to type that particular character you want to find the position. So assume this is my string, that is I watch IPL, and I'm find the position of watch. So I'm going to write this watch here in double quotes, and I will run this program to find the position, and I'm going to go at 2, I believe. Yes, you can see the 2 because the position is 2. So now let's discuss what is string concatenation. So guys, a string concatenation means combining two strings or adding two strings using the operator called plus operator. So here we have this two string, the string 4 and 5, that I watch IPL but not every day. So if you want to combine this, you need to write the name of your first string, which is text4, then the plus, and then double quotes, and give this space. Make sure to give the space here, like not space every day. You want to give the space between IPL and but, that is why you just put space here. Then you say plus, then my text 5, and this is how it's gonna combine these two strings for you. Let's go and run the program to see if we receive the expected output. And here you can see the output, guys, that says I watch IPL but not every day, and this is what we asked it to print. Okay, so the last point for this video will be special character. So guys, why we need special characters in Java, especially in string. So guys, assume that you want to write this I watch IPL, but you want this IPL in double quotes. So when you watch this IPL in double quotes, it will not allow you because it's giving you this error. So just to solve this problem here, we have made something called special character, and assume if you want to print the single quotes, if you want to print this IPL in single quotes, you just need to type this backslash and the single quotes IPL, then again backslash and single quotes. For the double quotes, you need to type the same thing, backslash, then double quotes here, then backslash and double quotes here. But we want to print this IPL in single quotes, so let's go ahead and run the program to see if we receive the expected output, if we receive this IPL in single quotes. Yes, you can see it says I watch IPL, and this IPL is in single quotes. So this is how guys, this is what is the use of a special character, and you can use in your string. That's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching.